Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video and update on TRB. All right, I'm considering doing a daily update on this, and not that many people are looking at TRB yet, or anymore. More people were looking and trading at TRB right here. But the situation has changed a little bit. I would still say that we are bullish, especially after yesterday or earlier. No, it was actually last night. We got some sort of a bullish breakout right here. And overall, this formation, this market structure, this price structure, whatever you want to call it, is still bullish. All right, so I still think that Tellor has potential. I'm not going to do the whole talk again about how Tellor is manipulated, even though you should know that it is manipulated. So if you're a beginning trader, I would just stay away from this. All right, there will be plenty of opportunities to make money in the markets when the markets are doing better. But right now, unfortunately, a lot of us we have to resort to trading these cryptos, which historically have lost people more money, retail traders more money, than that people have won with it. So of course, you'll always see that person that has had a major trade with this, which is also possible. But that's either luck or it's a trader who knows what they're doing. So just keep that in mind, all right? But if you look at TRB right now, like I said, it is still bullish. And sometimes, and that's also why I'm analyzing this and why it's on my watch list, sometimes these manipulated cryptos can bank you a lot of profit. But all right, so what we did is we found support ultimately around 120, which is our main support level right now, I would say, right around here. Got a bit of a bullish breakout above the EMAs right here, which is always good to have all of the EMAs below the price. The one thing that's kind of lacking, or at least I assume it's lacking because I haven't looked at it, but I assume that the open interest is much lower than the last couple of times. And that is true. All right, so here you can see, or at least I would call this a hidden divergence, because both the price and the open interest are lower. But you can see that it's pretty close, to be honest. I mean, the open interest is a bit lower. But the thing is that spot is still in TRB right now. You can see that green line, that's relatively flat. I would say that's bullish. But the one thing that's lacking is the future CVD. So we had a lot of positions opened in the last 10 hours or so. But now quite a lot of those positions are also being closed. And a part of those positions are just short positions. Whereas before, if you go back a little bit, during this initial phase, when we gained a lot of momentum, it was by far mostly long orders. So we still, even though the momentum has increased, I'm not convinced yet that we can get some sort of a breakout. You can also see right here, it's a little bit smaller, but you can also see that the open interest found resistance at the level where the open interest finds resistance a lot. So we need to see more confirmation to assume that Tellor is going to rally again. And the main level I would say to look at is this level at 142. If we can break above that, which, because we are technically in an uptrend, I do think that's the most likely scenario. But if we can break above that, then I'm pretty sure we can rally up to, well, let's stay conservative, 160, 166. That would be my first price target. So is it possible? Yes, but we need more confirmation. If we don't get more confirmation, we'll just stay consolidating down here and we'll wait for some sort of confirmation, and that could also be bearish. All right, so 142, main level to break. Otherwise, keep your eyes on the open interest. All right, we saw an open interest increase over the last 7 hours or 8 hours. Last 3 hours have been bearish. If this turns around and the open interest actually does start to rally again, while the price is still down here, that's another indication that we could actually see another leg up. So keep your eyes on that. For now, what I would assume is that we're just going to consolidate in this region. Even though we are slightly bullish, assume that we'll consolidate and wait for confirmations. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.